little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw a beautiful rainbow house. It will be colorful and fun,
Yay!
so grab your markers and let's start drawing. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's start by drawing the roof. Draw a big triangle shape on top. Now, let's draw the rectangular house right under the roof. This will be the main part of our house. Time to add the base. Draw a small step at the bottom so our house stands strong. Now, let's draw the door right in the center. Make it a big and welcoming door. Let's add some windows, one on the side and another on top under the roof.
La da 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 dee.
Time for some nature. Let's draw some bushes behind the house to make it look cozy and fresh. Now, let's add a check pattern on the roof to make it stylish. Finally, let's draw the land around our house with a nice path leading to the door. Nice job, everyone! Your rainbow house is looking amazing. Let's now make our outlines bold and sharp to really make our artwork pop. Doesn't it look fantastic?
Yay!
Now, it's time for our favorite part, coloring. We'll use rainbow colors to make our house super colorful. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Brown color. Whoa! Our rainbow house looks so colorful and bright. Great job, little artists! You did an amazing job drawing and coloring. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and easy drawing tutorials. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.